Alright, here we have a General Electric air conditioner. Not really a vintage one, but I figured I'd do a video on it anyway. This is one of those more modern ones from the last 10 years or so. These were sold at Walmart mostly. My mom had one for a little while. I sold it when we moved out of our old house because I didn't really need it. And I got the Whirlpool, which is a better unit than one of these is, in my opinion. But for what these are, they ain't bad. It cooled the whole downstairs of my mom's side of my old house, so it did pretty good. I don't know why I never did a video on it, but whatever. This is at my friend Nate's house. Figured I'd do a video on it. It's a GE. My mom's was pretty much identical to this one. It had the manual controls and all that fun stuff. There is information somewhere on it. It's a model AET05LVQ1. You can read any of that. This one's from 2016. It's a 5050 BTU air conditioner. I figured I'd do some air conditioner videos because why not? I don't really do many air conditioner videos, but we're gonna start up on high fan. I mean, for a modern air conditioner, it's pretty quiet. It blows pretty good air. It only has high fan or high cool. Of course it's not going to focus. I don't know. Guess we'll turn it up to high cool. I guess it's on. I guess it is on. Well, I'll give it a couple minutes here. It's low, cool. Oh, I guess we do have low fan. Pretty quiet for an air conditioner that's pretty new, honestly. Try to see if the compressor will start back up. There it goes. Really quiet. It's got this weird lever. Yeah, there it goes. It's starting to go. Nothing special about it, but I figured I'd do a video on it. Let's find my shoes and we'll go outside and take a listen to the compressor, I guess. And here's the outside of it, for those who care. It's really quiet. Of course, focus is going off camera. Flame damn compressor. Not bad for a modern air conditioner, I suppose. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.